Hi guys, let us discuss now fourth bit of third problem in exercise 3.2. In this, they are asking us to calculate fixed charge and charge per kilometer and charge paid for 25 kilometers. These are the things which they are asking us to calculate from this question. First of all, we don't know what is a fixed charge. So, we are assuming that fixed charge is equal to X rupees, charge per kilometer is equal to Y rupees, so that we can write from this given information. They are saying that for 10 kilometers the taxi wala charging 105 rupees. Now this 105 rupees is containing a fixed charge plus 10 into charge per kilometer means 10 into Y. So X plus 10Y is nothing but 105 rupees. Similarly, for 15 kilometers, he is charging 155. So what does it mean? X fixed charges plus 15 into Y is equals to 155. So these are the two equations we are getting from this given information. See here, you can see on the screen those two equations. X plus 10Y is equals to 105, first equation. X plus 15Y is equals to 155 is the second equation. Now, what do we need to find? Again, we need to find fixed charge is equals to how much? We need to find Y value, charge per kilometer, and one more thing we need to find the amount to be paid for traveling of 25 kilometers. So these are the three questions we need to find from this given information. Now, if you take equation 1, from that after transposing this 10y towards right side, you can write x is equals to 105 minus 10y. Now what we have to do to this x, we need to substitute this x value in equation 2. So when you substitute this x is equals to 105 minus 10y in equation 2, you will get y value. How much? Y is equals to 10 you got. Now this y value you have to use and substitute here in this equation. What is that? X plus 10y is equals to 105 is there, no? In that, in place of y, if you put 10, you can write as shown here on the screen. Then finally you will get x value as 5. Now we got x is equals to 5 rupees, that is fixed charge, and y is equals to 10. What is that? Charge per kilometer. Now we have one more thing to calculate. What is that? Charge for 25 kilometers. How to calculate? Fixed charge plus 25 into charge per kilometer. So when you do this simplification, you will get 255 rupees. How much? 255 rupees you will get. Finally, the conclusion is fixed charge is equals to 5 rupees, charge per kilometer is equals to 10 rupees, charge for 25 kilometers is equals to 255 rupees. Hope you got good clarity on this problem. If yes, please share with your friends, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.